students. Next point, next concept we are going to see, that is couple forces and moment of couple and moment of couple. So now what is mean by couple? So couple forces has a certain condition that when two equal opposite parallel forces, what is the case? When two equal opposite parallel forces applies on body at some distance from each other, means what? When two equal forces means these two forces having same magnitude. Secondly, opposite, it means direction will be opposite, and parallel means they are parallel to each other. When two equal opposite and parallel forces are applied on body at some distance from each other, then these forces create turning effect. That is called moment of couple. Okay, turning effect. They therefore create turning effect. It is called moment of force. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर मान लो एक रॉड है जो मिडल पॉइंट पे फलक्रम है, क्या है? मिडल पॉइंट पे फलक्रम है, और इसके ऊपर अगर हमने दो फोर्स अप्लाई किए, लेट अस से F1 here and F1 here, because both having same magnitude, they are equal. Okay, secondly they are opposite, is it right? One is moving upward, other is applied downward. Third case, they are applied at some distance, they are parallel to each other. So let us say this total distance will be d. Then moment created about point F will be for this case magnitude of one force multiplied by distance between them. What is the case? Magnitude of one force multiplied by distance between them. Are you getting? So why this will be? Let us say this total distance is d. Initially this distance take d1, this distance take d2. Now what will happen? If I want to calculate moment about this fulcrum point, for the force F1, moment will be F1 into d1. Is it right? Moment will be F1 into d1, which is in clockwise direction. And second case, for this force F1, moment will be same, because at same direction F1 into at distance d2. So we got F1 can be taken out, multiplied by d1 plus d2, and d1 plus d2 is what? Total distance d. So moment of couple forces will be magnitude of one of the force multiplied by distance, between them. This is the case for the forces, couple forces. Are you getting? Now we will see it along with examples here. So now examples. Now first example we have similar as a nut bolt arrangement, like a screw, or you can say first here have you seen this is a pen. So now this is our application, very basic application. Here I am writing regularly here, but very basic application is here. This is that बहुत सिंपल एप्लीकेशन है. इसमें क्या है? ये स्क्रू अरेंजमेंट है, आपको दिख रहा है. ये क्या है? स्क्रू अरेंजमेंट. मतलब यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इस कैप को इसके अंदर टाइट कर रहा हूँ. तो क्या हो रहा है देखो, वेन एवर आई टाइटिंग, व्हाट विल हैपन? I am applying forces like this. It means this upper finger applies force toward right, this lower finger applies force toward left. It means what will happen in that case? What will happen in that case? In this case, I am applying the forces. I am applying the forces in opposite direction. I am applying the forces in opposite direction. Wire opening also. I am applying force in opposite direction. They are at some distance, and that distance will be how much? Diameter of this cap maybe. So I am applying force in opposite direction at some distance. So it will create turning effect. So they combinedly produce couple forces. They combinedly produce couple forces. Are you getting this? So in case of opening the cap of pen with thread, इसमें क्या होते हैं? थ्रेड होते हैं. जो डायरेक्टली ओपन होता है वो नहीं, जिसमें थ्रेड होता है उसमें हम क्या चेक कर सकते हैं कि वी अप्लाइज फोर्स इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन ओपन. नेक्स्ट, second example we are going to see, that is opening the cap of bottle. Opening the cap of bottle. Now see, here is a bottle I have. Here is a bottle cap I have. Now check how I open the cap of bottle. Here at both the ends I am applying force like this. It means from the center point, first finger here I am applying force in downward direction, second finger here applying force in upward direction. So I can easily turn it. It means force applied in opposite direction. One is moving it here, another force moving it in upward. Opposite to that also, while tightening a cap, what I am doing, I am applying force at this point in this direction, I am applying force at this point in this direction. So they are what? Opposing forces. They are parallel, they are equal in magnitude, and they are applying in opposite direction at some distance, and that distance will be how much? This much diameter of a cap. So at some distance I am applying, so I can easily tighten the cap. Are you getting? So you can say when two forces applying at some distance, two forces that equal and opposite, so you may say, let us say this is bottle cap. Okay, this is bottle cap. We applies force here tangentially, another force here tangentially at this distance d, at the distance d. So these are taken as a couple. These are taken as a couple. Is it right? Everybody got this? Okay. This will happen similar for a nut bolt arrangement also. We have seen that. So check again. Here is a couple because I am keeping it at the both the ends, and now I am applying forces. So at this end I am applying force in downward direction, at this end I am applying force in upward direction. So they will form as a opposing forces. They are parallel to each other, they are opposite in direction, and they are applying at some distance. So that's why they create turning effect in a body. And this is what? Couple. And this is the application of couple forces and moment of couple. Everybody got this? Okay. Thank you, students.